Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So we are selling in basically Europe, for example. You shouldn't forget your VAT ID. So if you are a VAT registered, you must add it inside HC to ensure correct tax handling. How we gonna do all of this? It's basically Shop Manager. Shop Manager includes everything in HC. So you can use the app, you can use the website, totally fine. Let's get started. So I'm just gonna go open the website, go and log in using my email address and password. Make sure it's the correct account, then go through the shop manager here. Look for finances, then legal and tax information. Find the VAT ID section, then click add VAT or edit. Now it's time to enter your correct number exactly as registered. Then tap on save. SC also may validate it automatically. And also they may take some time, it's totally fine. As like for bonus tips, include your country prefix, like is it French or maybe another place, Spain for example. Make sure your VAT number is active. Also, incorrect VAT info can affect fee calculations, so make sure every detail you enter in the shop manager is correct, including taxes, legal names. I'm talking here about bank details as well. Every detail must be correct. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.